Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to be showing you how to thread a brother sewing machine. The concept is basically the same for any sewing machine, but since I have a brother, I'm going to show you how it's done on the brother sewing machine. So the best way I could figure out how to film this was to just hold my camera up here. So I have the thread already in, and you're going to pull the thread under this metal hook here. And there is also another hook back here. So you're going to go back here, around here, down here, around and up, and go all the way back here and around. And you see this little hook here? It's going to hook under here on its own. So just go in here and follow the grooves all the way down. Okay, and then when you get down here, let's see if you can zoom in a bit. There is this little hook right here, and you're going to latch the thread under here, and then under the automatic needle threader in this groove here, in between this disc to hold the thread, and then cut off the excess on the side here. So I've done that already, because it was just, I tried to film me doing it and my arm just kept getting in the way, and it was just so hard to show you all the steps. So I wanted to show you that. Then we're gonna get in here and make sure your needle is on the highest position, and then push down the lever. And do you see what happened here? There we go. It made like a little loop sticking through the needle, and you pull on that loop and your machine is threaded. Then you can just pull this thread back under and put your presser foot down to start sewing. Now, a lot of machines, when I started sewing, I had trouble with the bottom bobbin. What I love about the brother machine is that it's so simple. It's probably one of the easiest things. So let me get my camera situated and I'll be right back. Okay, now for the bobbin thread. There is a little lever here that you can pull towards the right to pop up the bobbin lid. Do you see it's right here? I'm just going to pull that, and this pops right out. Just put that over to the side, and you can see my bobbin thread here. Now the trick to the bobbin, so that you don't get any nesting or knots and things like that, or messing up your sewing project, is to make sure the thread is coming off the left side. So they say P for perfect. If you want perfect stitches every time, hold on to this left side thread and just drop your bobbin in. Then here on this groove, you're going to hold on to your bobbin so it doesn't move too much, and that your thread stays on the left side, and slip your thread into this groove here. Let me zoom out a little so you can see. And then follow the trail all the way up. Follow this groove all the way up. And then there is a cutter here built inside that automatically cuts the excess thread. And that's it. You're ready to start your project. But let's put back in the bobbin cover. You just put this here, snap it in, and pop back in. And there we go, guys. Your whole machine is threaded. Okay, I forgot to mention that once you load your bobbin and cut the thread, you don't need to pull it up like a lot of Singer machines or a lot of older model machines. Make sure you check with your model, but for brothers, I believe their bobbin threader is really automatic. It just goes up on its own once you start sewing. So there's no need to pull up your thread, which is awesome, because I had a lot of trouble with that with other models of machines from different brands. So yeah, this is super awesome. Hopefully that was helpful. Okay, so that's how you thread your top thread and your bottom bobbin thread. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments, or suggestions on what video I should do next. And make sure to ring the notification bell to be notified of when I post my videos. I try my best to post at least once a week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!